Hi guys, it's Jeanet and welcome back to my channel. Also, if you're new here, I post new fashion, lifestyle and travel videos every week. And today I thought I'd share with you my very first in a line of declutter videos that I have prepared. Reason being that for my birthday I knew I was getting something very specific that would kind of like cause the functionality of my room to change. I don't know how else to put it. But because of that, because it's something big that I've been waiting for literally I think going on 5 years now, I decided that I wanted to like just clean out my room as a whole, like just have a fresh space to work with. So yeah, that is why I am doing this series, and this will be the very first video. So in today's video I have like a few boxes that I keep a lot of weird stuff in that I am going to be decluttering, and I thought I would take you guys through the process. Okay, so here are the boxes I will be working with for this video, and as you can see I first started out by just wiping all of them down, seeing as they were covered in dust. Now with that done, I just wanted to give you guys an actual overview of the content of the boxes. Okay, so this first box is actually used to hold boxes that I don't use but want to keep for various reasons. Ironic, I know. So this is how it ended up looking, and this is what I'm giving away. Moving on to this box, this is what I started with and this is what I'll be keeping. Everything else I'll be giving away. Then this box contains all my travel mementos, and I actually will be adding to this box and not giving anything away. Then moving on to the last box, as you can see it contains all kinds of bits and bobs. So I ended up getting rid of all the creams, and I just had to sort through the jewelry in the two small boxes. So all in all, this is everything I ended up keeping. So yeah, I actually managed to get rid of about 2 boxes worth of things, so I'm quite happy with that. I know this wasn't like the typical declutter video. I mean, I know usually people tend to get rid of a lot more, but I do feel like I achieved what I wanted to achieve, so I'm very happy. And I do still hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!